Hello, and welcome to the iForgeAhead forums, which you'll find to be a great resource containing up-to-date information such as questions and answers, announcements, suggestions, and also the complete library of video tutorials on using iForgeAhead. This tutorial will demonstrate how to navigate within the iForgeAhead forums to find specific information. I want to point out that the iForgeAhead forums are open to everyone. You do not need to be an iForgeAhead user in order to work with the forums. To get to the forums, you'll want to open your internet browser and go to iForgeAhead.com. That will take you to this page here. And from this screen, you can use the menu bar at the top and click on Forums. Clicking on that will open a new window that will take you directly to the iForgeAhead Forums page here. If you are an iForgeAhead user and have already logged in to your account at iForgeAhead, the top of your screen will look like this. And from here, you can use the support menu in the upper right and click on Forums. And that again will take you directly to the iForgeAhead Forums main page. The main page is also called the board index, and you'll see that displayed right here in this gray bar above the red bar. You'll want to keep an eye on this area right here, which is a navigation tool that will appear no matter where you are within the forums. You'll always have this gray bar above the red bar, and the contents of this bar might change in that you will have additional information to the right of board index, but the very first item to the left of this bar will say board index, and clicking that from anywhere in the forums will always take you back to this main page. You can think of this main page as a table of contents, and underneath the red bar you'll see the primary areas of navigation. It's divided into different categories, and the two categories you'll see here are indicated by this solid bar across the top. The first one is called iForgeAhead, and the next category is down here, and it's called Video Tutorials. Under each of those sections, you'll see subcategories within that category, and you can click on any of these items to get into more information on those particular areas. It includes a description of what you can find in those areas. Let's go ahead and click on the Announcements category here. This is a great place to come regularly to check out new information of what's been posted on what's going on in iForgeAhead. On the Announcements page, we'll have the title here, and you'll notice that you still have your gray navigation bar here, and there is some more information here that will take you back to the areas you've drilled into, but again, the one on the far left will always say board index and take you back to the main page. If you scroll down underneath the red bar, you'll see the main content of this page. These are individual topics that are within the Announcements category. So you can click on any of these to find more information about that topic. We'll click on the first one here, New Feature, Managing Sales Tax Rates. Now we're actually in a topic itself, where instead of just seeing a list of items that we can click on, we're seeing content that has been posted into the forums. You'll notice again that you have the red bar that gives you an indicator of the main content. The left column tells you who wrote this post, and the message column here gives the actual content. You'll see the text that you can read here about the information, and different posts can have different additional information. For example, in this one, after the intro information, we have a link that we can click on for a tutorial for learning how to set up sales tax rates by clicking here. And farther down, you'll see another link here. Now what you're looking at is one post within a topic called Managed Sales Tax Rates. If someone else had replied or added to this post, it would continue down below here. So now you've looked at the content of this post, and you can quickly go back to the main page by clicking on Board Index. Using this screen, you can look at the different topics, the categories, and drill down into any of these and see what topics you'd like to look into further. That concludes this tutorial on navigating within the forums. If you'd like to continue beyond that and participate in the forums by adding your own posts or replying to things that other people have posted, please see our additional tutorial on interacting and participating in the forums. Thank you very much.